Okay everybody, today is system test 3. Today we'll be testing all devices. First device I'll test will be this call point, and then I'll move on to the two smoke detectors. And which one of the smoke detectors has been, it's the same type of smoke detector but it's been swapped to a better looking one. So 3, 2, 1. That's been temporarily disconnected. Right then, the next device I will do will be the 34770. 34770. I'm going to spray it with just the solo stuff. I really need to get a smoke saver. Right then, so now I will leave that there to clear. I can't cancel the buzzer unfortunately, but I'll now go over to the 3400 detector, and I've swapped it to a much better looking one, yeah, so this is a new device. Well, it replaced the previous one because it's a much better looking one. Replaced, camera, it's not wanting to focus, but it replaced the yellowed one. I had to hunt for this in the garage. I did eventually find it, or find it. Wow. This one here is quite quick at activating. Right then, I need to let both the detectors clear a wee bit. The 3400, and if you reset it too quickly it may go off again, just because sometimes the solo can sort of linger in the chamber for a wee bit, but I'll let it clear out a wee bit, and I'll come back to you in a wee minute. Right, this is my second attempt at doing this because I showed them code. So what I'm going to do is go into Sounder. We'll do Sounder 1. Because I've just thought a bit different to the 340 horn cell sounder. Loop 1 action alert. It is on full volume, it's very loud. Sometimes it keeps trying to catch up on itself, but it is a lot louder. That can be, it's quite a I did a video on them, explain about how they adjust to their tone. See, that's like any other sort of, like one of those or something. It's the same principle, but that's totally different. Radio. So I'll reset the panel. Yeah, I'll just clear the display, it's just easy. Right then, thank you very much for watching guys, please rate, comment, subscribe, and that's it. Right then, today I'm gonna, well, this is, right then, this is one of these little end of the video videos, that's just the panel reallocating, because I hit the wrong breaker on this accidentally, so I'm gonna quickly test this. There's a bit of a delay in the lights turning on, but that's it. And I've also got it as a switch on, so it turns on like that. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and that's it.